Mae rai cofio mae'r gofalwyr ma yw'r arbenigwyr o fewn maes neu cefndir y claf ma a heb eu cefnogaeth nhw a gwybodaeth maen nhw'n gallu rhoi i ni, dyn ni ddim yn mynd i golli gofalu am yr claf na i'r ffordd gorau phosib.
Mae'n bwysig bod yn myfyrwyr ni yn deall na weithiau mae'r gofal ddim jyst yn golygu y claf sydd o'ch blaen chi.
I didn't realise that I was a young carer because it's my dad, so of course I'm going to help him do all those things, of course I am. But then actually, you don't realise until you're a bit older how much of your life that you've actually missed out on because you were doing those things.
Carers really do a lot for individuals and to alleviate stress from the health NHS, really.
Mae rhaid i ni meddwl amdano y dau person yn gwahanol a beth allan ni wneud i'r person sydd iser help a'r hefyd y person sydd yn gyfalu achos maen nhw dau mor bwysig a'i gilydd.
If we're not putting support in place and they're not coping at home, that could very well end up in 2 admissions in time.
The NHS would have to essentially double this budget if it wasn't for our unpaid carers and young carers in the community.
Since having the lectures about care awareness, I've sort of realised the importance of asking carers, how are you doing? How have you been finding things recently? Because it's about getting things in place that might help the carers just do the jobs.
So I think when I was on placement, I saw a good example of the ward being more carer aware because we had a gentleman who did have a carer and he was allowed to come in and visit whenever because it actually made the experience a lot less daunting and a lot less isolating for that patient and meant that we had better outcomes with him and just having that friend there for him as a support and for us as a way to find information out sometimes because the patients aren't always able to give you the information that you might need.
When working in practice alongside student nurses, it has become evident to me how they have this understanding of the importance of signposting relatives. Just by the nurse being aware of those services available, they were able to offer such a positive impact to the relative and they were able to access those respite services, which they wouldn't have known about before.